Hello and welcome back to our channel guys, and we are back after a long time, and today we are breaking down a thrilling UEFA Champions League clash between Real Madrid and Stuttgart, where Real Madrid beat Stuttgart by 3 goals to 1. So before we dive in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. Now let's get into the action. Real Madrid head coach Carlo Ancelotti played this game with a 4-3-3 formation, in which he started Thibaut Courtois at goal, Lucas Vazquez at right back, Dani Carvajal and Rudiger were the two centre backs, and Ferland Mendy played this game at left back. In midfield, Aurelien Tchouameni started this game alongside Jude Bellingham and Fede Valverde, while in attack, Rodrygo started this game at right wing, Vinicius Jr. at left wing and Kylian Mbappe played this game as a centre forward. While Stuttgart head coach Sebastian Hoeneß played this game with a 4-2-3-1 formation, in which he started Nubel at goal, Wagnerman at right back, Roalt and Chabot were the two centre backs, and Mittelstadt played this game at left back. In midfield, Stiller and Krasor were the two defensive midfielders. Liuling started this game as a right attacking midfielder, Furyk started this game as a left attacking midfielder, Milliot started this game as a central attacking midfielder, and Undav started this game as a centre forward. So guys, Kylian Mbappe's much anticipated Champions League debut for Real Madrid lived up to the hype. The Frenchman opened the scoring right after the half-time. Slotting in Rodrygo's perfect cross, the Madrid faithful were absolutely buzzing. But Stuttgart wasn't going down without a fight. Dennis Undav with a brilliant header in the 68th minute silenced the Bernabeu for a moment. Stuttgart was pressing hard and honestly it looked like they might steal a point. Then came the turning point. Former Stuttgart man Antonio Rudiger in the 83rd minute, he rose to flick a Luka Modric corner into the net. Real Madrid takes the lead in the dying stages of the match. And as if that wasn't enough, young Endrick off the bench sealed the win with a speculative strike from way outside the box. It squirmed past Alexander Nubel deep into the stoppage time to make it 3-1. Let's not forget the heroics of Thibaut Courtois. Stuttgart had plenty of chances, but Courtois kept Real Madrid in the game with some crucial saves. So what a start for Real Madrid in the Champions League campaign. Mbappe scores, Rudiger haunts his old club and Endrick puts his icing on the cake. But Stuttgart put up a real fight and Courtois had to be at his best. So guys, now let's take a look at the match stats. Real Madrid took a total of 20 shots in which 8 of them were on target, while Stuttgart took a total of 17 shots in which only 7 of them were on target. Real Madrid had 45% of possession, while Stuttgart had 55% of possession. Real Madrid completed 432 passes, while Stuttgart completed 518 passes. Real Madrid had 86% of passing accuracy, while Stuttgart had 87% of passing accuracy. Real Madrid committed 13 fouls, while Stuttgart committed 9 fouls. Real Madrid got 4 yellow cards, while Stuttgart got 1 yellow card. So that's all for today guys. What did you think of Mbappe's debut? Can Real Madrid defend their Champions League crown? Drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. And before you go, let me know which team's match reviews you would like to see in the upcoming videos. Whether it's Barcelona, Manchester City or any other club. Comment below and I'll make sure to cover them. See you until next time. Thank you.